As a trader with 18 years of experience, I have observed the changing complexities of the financial markets. My journey has shown me that success in trading requires more than just knowledge. It demands persistence, adaptability, and continuous learning. Yarka Dynamic Ali embodies these principles, offering comprehensive solutions designed to evaluate your trading strategies. My mission is to assist you to navigate the market with full confidence. Hello traders, welcome to this detailed guide on the Yarka Professional Dynamic Ali trading strategy. My name is Glenn Joker, and today I am excited to present an advanced strategy that is designed for maximizing your trading efficiency and profitability. Traders, before continuing the strategy on the live chart, you must understand this chart I have made for you. I illustrate all the rules within the chart and make a banner for your easy comprehension. After this chart's understanding, you will easily understand the live market. Traders, this strategy is based on 5 rules. Let's go through each one. First, wait for the signal. You see there is a buy signal, or there is a sell signal. If the signal comes, you see that here there is a sell signal. Then follow the rules. The first rule is rule number 1. Here is rule number 1. This is the trend filter. You see there is a cross line. We say that this is the trend filter. When price is below this line, this cross line, this line's color will be red. If there's a sell, the price must be below the trend filter, and the trend filter color is red. Conversely, if there is a buy signal, the price must be above this line, and this line color is green. This will support the buy signal. Come to rule number 2. You see that there is in the chart. You see that there is a cloud area, a shaded area. When there is a signal of the sell, the price must be below the cloud. And if, conversely, there is a buy signal, the price must be above the cloud. Then, you follow the third rule. The third rule, you see that there is a dot, an upper line dot, and the lower line dot. These lines are called lane assist. If there is a sell signal, the lane assist dot will be red. If, conversely, there is a buy signal, the lane assist dot must be green. You see that here, this is the. After completing the 3 rules, then you come to the next step. There is the 4th rule. The 4th rule is that it's based on the action flag. There are the 2 types of the action flag. One is the action flag bear, and the second is action flag bull. By default, the action flag color is purple, and action flag bull color is green. If 3 rules are fulfilled and the signal, you see there is a sell signal, and all the 3 rules are supporting the sell signal, then check the 4th rule. The 4th rule, action flag bear, is also available and supporting the sell signal. Then come on to the 5th rule. The 5th rule is momentum based. You add the indicator Yarka Trend Enhance in your chart and check that the momentum color must be red. If there is a red color, then you have spotted the 5 rules. If 5 rules are fulfilled, then you take a trade with confidence. There is an entry price, stop loss, TP1, TP2, and TP3. Now we will understand the chart because we also read the rules and understand the rules, the 5 rules. Then, apply these rules on the chart and read the chart and see that whether the trade follows the rules or not, what our expectations are, what the trade will be on our side or will be on the losing side after implementing the rules. So, I will randomly scroll back to the back side and check that it fulfills the 5 rules and then check the trade, that the trade will be a success or not. I'll just start here from this signal. This is the buy signal. Here is the buy signal. Then I check the rules. I follow the 5 rules. For your clear view, I will just zoom in for your clear understanding. There is a buy signal, and here, there is a trend filter. You see that there is the trend filter line. This is the trend filter line. You see that there's a buy signal. When the signals come, the trend filter line is red, so we can't take the trade here. We just wait for the trade to follow the rules. The first rule, when the price is crossing this line and closing above the line, this trend filter line comes on a green color. The first rule is fulfilled. Then what is the second rule? The second rule is the shaded area. This is the shaded area, cloud area. So, we wait for the price to cross above the cloud. Here, in this candle, the candle crosses the cloud. Rule number 2 is fulfilled. Then we follow the third rule. Third rule is that there is the lane assist dot. Lane assist dot. Here is the lane assist dot above, and here is the below. When two rules are fulfilled, here, two rules are fulfilled here in these candles, the two rules are fulfilled. The third rule is lane assist. We see that there is a signal of the buy, and the lane assist dot also color is green. The third rule is also fulfilled. Then we come for the next rule. The next is the fourth rule. The fourth rule is our action flag. There is the bear action flag. We see below that there is a bullish action flag below the signal. If we zoom in, we see there the action flag. The action flag is also available. The four rules are fulfilled. Then we check the fifth rule. The fifth rule is on the second indicator. The second indicator is just enhanced and dynamic. We see the momentum. When there is a signal and all the four rules are fulfilled here and the momentum turns to the green color, all five rules are fulfilled. Then we take the trade here, and here is our profit. The price goes up and up. Now we come and check the second trade. We check the chart with the second trade. Here, there is a sell signal. Here is the example you understand here. Here is a sell signal. What are our rules? Our first rule is trend filter. The trend filter line is green, then skip this signal. This is not a valid signal. Then, wait for the next signal. The next signal is a buy signal. The buy signal, then we check the buy signal rule. The first rule is trend filter. The trend filter must be fulfilled. Then we check the second rule. The second rule is here. Here, the price is above the cloud, above the cloud. Then we check the third rule. The third rule here is that there is a lane assist of red. We wait for the confirmation. It must be the green. After that, when there is a green dot. We see that here is the green dot. Here is a green dot. Here is the third rule confirmation. The fourth rule is the action flag bull. Also here, the four rules are fulfilled. Fifth rule is there is the momentum is a green side. But here we see that the price is here. We'll take the entry, but at the same time, we see there is another signal. Other action flag is bear action flag. The bear action flag or bullish action flag, it's also used for the entry and exit. Here we take the trade and the action to exit the trade. Then the next signal comes. The next signal comes as a sell signal, but this second signal, the first rule is not fulfilled, so we skip this trade. We are not to take this trade. This is an invalid setup. Then we wait for the next signal. The next signal comes on a buy signal. This is a buy signal. Check the rule. The first rule is trend filter. Trend filter is green. Then check the second rule. Second rule is here, crossing the cloud. Third rule, lane assist. Lane assist here is the lane assist asking, there is a green. Fourth rule, also available, action flag bull. Fifth rule, momentum. Momentum also is green. Here we take the trade and we check that the trade goes upside from 38.24.38 to here is the exit of first exit, 62.24.62. Then we check the second trade. Here is a sell signal. We see that there is a sell signal. Sell signal, check the trend filter. Trend filter is red. First rule is fulfilled. Wait for the crossing cloud. Here, there's a crossing cloud. Here is the crossing cloud. Second rule fulfilled. Then wait for the third rule. Third rule is lane assist. Lane assist is fulfilled. Then wait for the fourth, check the fourth rule. The fourth rule is action flag bear, also available. Then check the fifth rule. The fifth rule is momentum. Momentum is green. Then wait for the momentum to turn to red. Here is the momentum turn to red. Here is the point. Here is our entry. Entry is 24.10 and it goes back to 23.62. Then the next signal comes. The next signal is buy. Check the trend filter. Trend filter is red. Skip this trade. We can't take the buy trade. Then we check the sell signal. This sell signal is, check the trend filter. Trend filter is red. Second rule is a cloud, below the cloud. This third rule is lane assist. Lane assist also red. Fourth rule is action flag bear. Fifth rule is momentum. Momentum also red. Check that how much pip is there. From 242 to 2381. These are the 5 rules. We check the 5 rules and check the setup. This is very easy. Just count the 5 rules and check the setups, whether to take the trade or whether to skip the trade. Just wait, be patient, not be greedy. Not will be emotions will be very, very harmful. Calm down, keep the emotions low, and then make a trade. It's a happy trading. This is the 5 rule setup. It's a very easy setup. You not need to worry about that. How to take a trade, how is the take profit, where we place a stop, where we make an exit. It's very simple, very easy. Not to be very panicked, not to be learned so much setup, not to be learned the chart style, not to be learned the candle style. You spend so many times but you can't earn. And in this setup, you will be easy learn, easy earn, and just follow the rules and make a trading and make a money. You see, here is a 5-minute chart. You see there are the signals and all the rules are fulfilled, and you see the TP1 is hit, TP2 is hit, and TP3 is hit. When you take a trade on a 5-minute chart, remember one thing, you will be aligning the signals with the 15-minute chart. If the 15-minute chart will be on the same side, same direction, then you take a trade. The 15-minute chart shows the sell signal, and you come on a 5-minute chart, and you see that there is also the sell signal. Both time frames align the same direction. You take the 5-minute chart trade, and you see there is hit the take profit 3 levels.